last day done, so we are going to be running. Oh my god. Oh lord. Oh lord. And I think my vehicle just bottomed out. Okay, well, now I'm covered in mud and my vehicle is destroyed, so I'm gonna probably have to run back home. Probably that'll take forever. My house is like way over there, where all those trees are. So, just run through the mud. It's gonna take forever though. And if I could get different trick, or should I just get one bought and just really want to get a repo truck? But yeah, that sucks with trash like that. I'm not even home yet. I think this is my home. Actually, yeah, this is my home. Yeah, this is my home. I've been running forever. Whatever. So, yeah, I already have a truck. And it should be here. So, I'm probably just gonna take a shower. Well, actually, the mud's solid already. What the with hydrolock? And the hydrolock yeah. And I'm still pretty sure it's broken. I'm still gonna be sure that it's broken no matter what you tell me. It's broken. That thing is broken, bro. When it's broken. It's gonna be broken. What you tell me. And two identical sharks that well, I think I'll probably just do this many instead. Raise that. Okay, got that raised. Now we're gonna extend that over. Am I stuck doing really now? I may be stuck doing these. I'm hoping not, though. Maybe that's alright for when I'm going up. Maybe. Stuck doing really. Permanent really. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Stop. So, crashed again. Shots on the replay. It's just so annoying to drive. It's so annoying to drive. It's just that my front tires are like never touching the ground. What is that? I think I'm gonna die today.